Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today, and welcome if you're new here to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today I just wanted to share with you the final flip through of this stacked envelope journal. I will link my last video down below so you can see my process if you missed out on that, but let's go ahead and just jump right into the flip through. So for this one, I used the Country Paper Pad here by Park Lane, and I got this at Joann's. And on my cover or first page here, I just put this little flower in the corner. This was also from Joann's because this paper here has a bunch of little sentiments. So I didn't want to put any other wording over that, but just a lot of cute little sentiments there. And then this is a side pocket again. So I made another little ticket here, and this says best friends. And then in this pocket, I just have this little card that says bloom. And I just put this pink paper in the background and cut around it with my little scissors there. So it kind of looks like a postage stamp in a way. And then back here, I love this little bird. You can see him through the window, or her. But this is just a tag inside of the side pocket here. And I have kind people are my kind of people right on there, and you can flip that open and write on the inside. So there's my little tag, and we'll flip this open. And over here, this was a little sheet which was also from Joann's. It came in just a small little notepad, and I thought it was perfect here. It fit perfectly. You could write a little entry there, and I just love using those little list pads in my journals and junk journals and things like that because they make great little journaling cards. So I have that there. This does flip out, and I just have this journaling card I glued straight onto here. And then over here, this sunflower is a tuck spot. So I just have this smaller journaling card underneath there. And I have a cute little bee down here. That was also from a Joann's ephemera pack. This flower I just had in my stash. I think it's actually from Walmart. And then in my side pocket here, I just have a little tab. You can pull this out and just write another little note here. And I added this butterfly sticker. Or maybe it's a moth. I don't know, but it's really cute. And that's also from Joann's. And moving right along here, I just paper clipped a few extra things to this side. So there's a coffee dyed scrap in the back, and then this little tag as well was from the paper pad. And then here are my extra 2 pages. I didn't do anything to them just because when I actually go to journal in here, or whoever goes to journal in here, they can just decide what they want to do on those pages. And then over here, I have this beautiful moment card just glued down here. Another little flower. And then my insert here is this piece, which I didn't know if I wanted it to be a photo mat or a journaling card, so I guess it could be whichever. But I have this beautiful ephemera piece here in the corner. And this was actually from my friend Janet. She had sent me some Happy Mail a while back, and I think she got these pieces from Hobby Lobby. And then moving along here, I just have this little sheet for some writing space, and I put this ephemera piece there in the corner. I thought it kind of went with this paper, like the dark navy blue color. So these are some extra little inserts that I put in here as well. This one, I do have a side pocket in the back, so I just used the scrap paper as a tag. There is some coffee dyed paper. And then on this page here, this was a scrap I had, and I just drew my own lines on there so that you could write there, and added some flowers in the corner. And then I have another card here that's just attached with some washi tape. It says, "Grow where you are planted." And there is something on the back. So in this pocket, I just have this journaling card that says hello. And over here, I have two smaller pockets. So up in the first one here, this sticker is from Dollar Tree. And then I just added some of this paper. This was just leftover scrap paper, so you could journal on that. And then in this pocket, I just have this little card I put together with another butterfly and a label. And you can lift this up and journal all on the inside as well. So I just stick this part in the pocket. And I have more coffee dyed paper here. These were extra pages that I added. This pretty flower paper. And then this is the final page here. So I have this bee ephemera piece, which was from the same ephemera pack as the floral piece here from my friend Janet. So I turned that into a tuck spot. So I have this little card tucked underneath. And here's another little list or sheet from one of those notepads. So I don't even remember where I got this specifically, but I just had it in my stash. So there's room to write there. And then in my big pocket here, I just have this huge tag that says, "Hope the sun shines down on you today." And I added another flower there. This actually does open up, so you could write some more or add photos in here. And then it is a side pocket too. So I just put this 4x6 journaling card right inside. And that's my big tag in this pocket here. And that is everything for this stacked envelope junk journal. So it's very springy. I love all of like the teal turquoise colors with the pinks. That's my favorite combination. Those are my two favorite colors. And I love all the bees too. I added a few different bee things all throughout this journal. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed it as well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys so much once again for being here, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!